Come in. Welcome to our house. All right, so let's get started. This is the hall. As soon as you come in, we will be changing this floor right here. It's going to be the same thing all the way to the kitchen over there. It's gonna be like a tile looking wood. So that's gonna be nice. If you come over here, this is the living room area. And I love this area right here because of all of the windows. A lot of lighting comes in. It looks big and spacious. And yeah, so this is going to look super nice with our couch. Another area that we've never had in other apartments is a dining room area this big. I love all of the windows that we have right here. It has a lot of lighting. And then this door right here that you can see the backyard. I cannot wait. All of the space is gonna be so nice for family gatherings, for holidays. So we cannot wait. We're gonna be painting all the walls to freshen it up because it looks kind of old and dirty. So we're gonna do that. And then if you move over here, this is where the kitchen area is. It's pretty spacious for me and Will. It's only us two, so this is a pretty good size. It is the biggest kitchen we've ever had too, so that's pretty exciting. And we have no appliances. We never have no appliances because we've been renting for a lot of years. And then this is our fridge. We are so happy about this fridge because it has so much space. We can actually like have groceries, a lot of groceries. And then this is the...
That's just for beers.
Right? So much space, super exciting. And then there's a door here to go to the backyard.
How about not good.
No.
Yeah.
The door to go to the backyard. How do you
push it up? Push it up. There's a lock. Gotta clean. Gotta rake.
We're going to be doing a little bit of DIY project. We're going to be painting the cabinets to a different color, the countertop. In the future, we're planning on changing the countertop, but for now, we're just going to do a little DIY. And with the floors, it's just going to look so nice. We're definitely taking this off.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is.
That looks like creepy.
Another thing that I like about the kitchen area is this little space right here. We're gonna put some chairs here for the island. And then also, I've always wanted a coffee station, and this is like the perfect corner for it. I cannot wait. Me and Will are like coffee fanatics, so this is gonna be so cute. I cannot wait to set it up and show you guys. And then if we walk over here, this is the first bathroom. This is going to be the guest bathroom. Obviously, we have to do a lot of work to it. We're gonna update it and paint it and, you know, make it look nice, but it has a shower and, you know, everything that you need in a full bathroom. So we're finally not gonna be sharing a bathroom for once with other people. So that's very, very exciting for me. And then over here is where the basement is, but it's very dark down there and it's very messy, so we're not gonna really show you down there.
Yeah.
I really like this right here because we can, you know, store some stuff like the brooms, the mop and all of that stuff. So it's like a nice little area to store things that we don't want people to see.
This is Coco's house.
Yes. And then we're gonna go up. Love that we have a window right here, but we're definitely gonna change this window. It's so old and outdated, it needs to go. And then we have a weird chandelier right here, but we're gonna change that too. And then over here, we have a little section which is going to be Will's area. He's gonna be waiting for me right here while I'm getting ready. We're gonna have a nice little couch, a little table, like a console table right here. So he's gonna be waiting for me here like 1 or 2 hours while I get ready.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm gonna put a section, Will's chilling, waiting here.
And then this is going to be my beauty room. I am so happy about this room. All of the lighting that comes in, and I'm finally gonna have my dream beauty room / recording area so I can come up with a lot of content. So yes, I am so happy and grateful that we're able to do that finally. But yeah, we're gonna be painting the walls, changing the doors. The closet needs some work, and yeah. So let's go to the other rooms. Right here is our bathroom. This also needs a lot of work, but listen, we are super excited to have our own bathroom. But yeah, this is just a bathroom. We need to change everything. The toilet needs to go ASAP. And I cannot wait to design it and come up with however we want it. And that's the cameraman. And over here is where our bedroom is going to be. It's a pretty good size for us. But yeah, this is our room. And this is Will's. Some of Will's closet. Right?
She has a room for her closet. This is my closet.
We need to add doors. We need to add doors here for him. Hey, at least you have shelves.
I'm gonna add a barn door there.
Oh yeah, your barn door.
Yeah.
And we're gonna instead of having a TV here in the room, we're gonna have a projector
right there
to save some space. So
yes.
That's gonna look pretty nice. And then lastly,
this is my walk-in closet.
This is Will's walk-in closet / guest room. We're definitely getting rid of this blue. It's too much for us. It's too bright.
I don't know.
And then this is another closet for Will right here. We gotta add a door. So yeah, this is where the guests are going to be sleeping. They are no longer needing to sleep in my beauty room anymore. We're gonna have a special spot for them. And this is going to be our future baby's room. Very heavy on the future.
So we should keep this blue because
no.
It's gonna be a boy.
You don't know that.
Come on, how about pink and half blue? No?
No.
Okay, try.
Alright, so that is it for today's empty house tour. We cannot wait to show you guys all of the projects and all of the things that we're going to be doing to the house and take you guys along. But yeah, we wanted to show you before we start moving and cleaning the house. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one. Bye guys.